Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to restore your cloudy headlight. Help you see a little bit better at night. These newer plastic lenses are susceptible to all kinds of things. As your car is driving, it's getting hit by bugs, road debris, and what have you. They become scratched and unclear. The easiest way to take care of this problem is to use any good quality wax in a rag. Apply the wax to the plastic, just like you would apply it to your car's finish. This is going to do two things. It's going to take off the dirt, and it's going to leave a nice clean film on the lens. This one's actually got quite a bit of dirt on it. After we're done applying our wax, we can see that the lens is brighter. The wax will protect the lens from debris, and it'll let the water dissipate nicely off our lens, so it'll be easier to see at night. And that's a quick tip on how to clear a fogged lens. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.